everyone, it's me, Maria, and today I'm here with Neri and Mariah. Welcome back to another Recipe Rotation, the show where the Greater Goods team finds the best recipes on the internet, give one a go in the test kitchen, then collaborate to see if it's a rotation-worthy dish. Alright, today we're gonna make the chocolate cake waffles, and all we need is a few things right in front of me. Whenever I'm cooking, the presentation's really bad, but with baking, I can make it a little cute, you know. All waffles are simple, and these are not that different. And so this is 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. So if we have an issue with the brown sugar, we can use the back of the measuring cup and do like that type of thing. Okay, one thing I like about baking is because I feel very aesthetic doing it and I feel cool. We are gonna use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's move on to the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna kind of whisk it to mix it together. I really like things that look very cute and aesthetic, you know. Waffle looks very cute. It has like the square thing. The only thing I know about science is Bill me the science guy. We have to make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Okay, we kind of mix it. So if your batter is not mixing really well, I think you can add a little bit more milk and butter. Okay guys, the batter is looking kind of like too thick. So even if this looks bad now, you never know, it might turn out really good. Like life, you know? You never know what's going on ahead of you. What I know about Mariah is that she hates waffles, but I'm gonna make her like this one because I made it with my heart. I pour my soul in it for her. So I don't know if they don't like it. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna make them like it no matter what. We'll judge these waffles based on 3 qualities. Were they quick enough to make? Do they taste delicious? And is it practical? Alright guys, so here's the chocolate cake waffles that you guys heard me making. Open!
Ooh!
Ooh!
Look at that!
Wow, so fancy! Cheers! I like
This is
the...
very cakey.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's been a while that I haven't like hosted Galentines, but yeah, you know, make some effort for my gals.
You don't need to be a professional to
Yeah.
cook for your friends.
Yeah.
I feel like your friends see
Your
the
friends
worst
are there for
side
you.
of you.
Yeah.
They don't care how bad you up. They're just happy to eat free food.
Yeah, exactly.
Like-
if you say free food, they're coming.
This is why you guys are my gals. It took me about 15 minutes to like prep all of this, and then I think decorating and plating took like 5 minutes, so overall like 20 minutes.
For brunch, I feel like 20 minutes is like crazy fast. I'm getting like Pinterest mom recipe vibes. And I think I'd rather find something that I could spend a little bit more time on that I think my friends would enjoy more. I would pay like $12 for this at a restaurant.
Oh, that's a compliment.
Like, it looked great, but I just think I might leave a bad Yelp review, and I don't want to leave a bad Yelp review, you know? It's pretty dense. I think something that it could also use could be like spices. So
You want a pumpkin spiced waffle?
well, minus the pumpkin. I want a spice waffle.
Spice waffle.
So for me, the taste, I'm not quite sure if I'm sold on the taste alone. The biggest enemy in my home is having to run my dishwasher because I have one of those like half-size dishwashers. So if I cook anything, it's full immediately, but there's only like 5 things you needed to make this, which honestly seems pretty good to me. So practicality-wise, I think waffles in general are like a great go-to thing. As far as if this recipe is gonna be a go-to recipe, I think this recipe has to go for me.
It's not bad though for a waffle. If the waffle didn't have any toppings on it, Maria, it would be so plain. For time-wise to make this, definitely doable. I'd say 20 minutes is a good amount of time to make this. I think the taste is pretty evenly overall good. I think again, like it's a little dense, but for me, I'm not opposed to that. For practicality and how easily it is to make, I am not an amateur cook in my house. Like I'm the main cook, so I think that this is easily doable for me. And is this a recipe go-to or gotta go? It's definitely a go-to for me.
I'll eat it again if I have to.
Not because you want to.
But time, preparation, looks amazing. The taste was okay, so I would kind of like find another waffle recipe to make. It's a gotta go for me.
Really?
Yeah.
You put all your hard work in there. It's gotta go.
Yeah, it's gotta go. I know I can do better, you know. I can't cook, but I can kind of bake. This recipe has got to go, but my goals will never go. To stay up to date with recipe rotation and other great content, please like and subscribe to the Greater Goods channel. And if you want to host some gals for brunch and make these chocolate waffles, the recipe is in the description section with the links to some of the great goods I used to make them. See you next time!
Can take a photo of us taking a photo.
Now this is
So embarrassing.
anyway.